Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel Code Dictator. Welcome back to learning core Java. Here I provided my GitHub link and Instagram ID. So in this section we are going to learn about naming convention. So basically naming convention means what? It is a convention that makes our program more understandable and more readable, and they will provide them more information about your specific module, like it can be a variable or any final type of variable or method or class or package interface. So we have widely used naming convention which are lowercase. So if you see that everything is given into the lowercase, so basically lowercase, all the syntax are predefined keywords that is already occupied with the help of your Java. Uppercase, so basically whenever we want to define any final variables, that time we need to follow uppercase. CamelCase, so basically CamelCase is what? Whenever you are concatenating two different words together, so that time first character of each word must be in a capital letter. And the mixed case, basically mixed case is what? The combination of your any type of other cases. So let's understand more about other naming conventions. Package. So basically package is what? If you are new to my channel, so subscribe my channel and like videos and share these videos with your friend and hit that bell icon to get notifications related to updates. So package is a something which is encapsulating, or basically which is keeping all the file, class or sub modules or interfaces inside it. If you're not aware with the package, so please go and check my video. That link is provided in the description. So whenever you are providing any package name, so it must follow one syntax, that is what? The domain, your organization name and your module and sub module name. So if you see that Java is following the same naming convention, java.lang.star. So star basically is your all classes in that lang package. And if you see that com.apple.quicktime.version2, so basically Apple is an organization, QuickTime is the project or it can be a module name, and version 2 it is the second release of that module. So that is your sub module. Classes. So whenever you are defining any classes, so that time it must start from your capital letter and it follow a proper naming convention which will define the purpose of that particular class. Interfaces. So basically interface is a abstract view of your all the business logic. So whenever you are giving any interface name, it has to be in a special naming convention. So basically your interface start as a capital letter, similar like your class, and sometimes you can initiate your interface name with the I character, but that is not a mandatory thing, but you can follow that naming convention as well. Methods. So whenever you are defining any method, so basically method is an action, that particular thing or behavior of your that particular xyz thing. So like run fast, or some like eat, sleep, walk, talk, like that. So whenever you are defining any method name, it always follow the camel case, and method name is must start from your small letter. Variables. So we already learned about the type of variables. So basically we have three different type of variables, like instance variable, static variable and local variable. So if you not yet completed with the variable section, so please go and check that section. That link is provided in the description part. So whenever you are defining any type of variable, so it start from your small letter and it again follow the same camel cases. Constant. So basically constant is a keyword, or in the Java we have final keyword to define the constant thing. So basically constant means what? The thing which will never change. So whenever you want to define any constant, So then you need to write that variable name, constant variable name, into the capital letter, and whenever you want to concatenate two different words together, so you need to concatenate both of them with the help of underscore.